For American chop suey, boil 2 cups of water in a vessel. In this we will add 2 cakes or 2 pieces of Maggi. You can make this recipe using regular plain Hakka noodles, but here we are making it using instant noodles like Maggi, as at present this is what was available with me. Within just a minute or two we will strain this out because Maggi quickly gets soft. Be careful, you don't have to make it too soft, it just should be cooked about 70%. It's perfect. Let's strain it out. Here we didn't add salt to the water because the instant noodles already have salt in them. In plain Hakka noodles, you are needed to add salt in the water. And after we strain it out from the hot water, we will immediately pour over it little cold or normal water so that the cooking stops and prevents the noodles from sticking to each other. Let the excess of water strain out from the noodles and then we will transfer it to another bowl. Next, we will sprinkle 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or arrowroot over it. Both will do the same job. We will just give a thin coating of the flour over the noodles. We had already kept oil to heat. Immediately after giving the flour coating, we will drop this into the hot oil and let the noodles fry over a medium heat till light golden in color. Carefully flip the noodles upside down so that they get fried on both sides. Our noodles are perfectly done. They are light golden and crisp. Let's strain them out over a paper towel. After frying the noodles, it's time to make the sauce. We essentially make it after frying the noodles so that the sauce doesn't get too soft and mushy while serving, or you can make both noodles and the sauce simultaneously. For making the sauce, in 1 tablespoon of oil we added 1 finely chopped onion. As this is a Chinese cuisine, we will make the sauce over a high heat. After sauteing the onions just for a minute over a high heat, we added 1 cup of shredded cabbage, half a cup of thinly sliced carrot and half a cup of thinly sliced capsicum. Here we don't want the veggies to be soft, we want them to be crisp, so we will saute them just for 2 to 3 minutes. In between we added 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves. You just need to make sure that the veggies are cooked about 70%. Add salt as per your taste, a teaspoon of heaped red chilli paste, half a teaspoon of pepper. We also need to add few other ingredients, 2 teaspoons of white vinegar, a teaspoon of soya sauce, and a tablespoonful of tomato ketchup. Mix everything together. Veggies are almost 70% soft. We have been cooking them since 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add in a cup of water in this now. And to make this sauce thick, we will take a tablespoon of cornstarch. In this, add about 1/4 cup of water. Make a slurry out of it and then add this immediately to the sauce. Within few seconds of adding the cornstarch in the sauce, it will come to a boil and then just immediately put off your stove. Don't overcook, otherwise the veggies will become soggy and soft, which we don't want. And before serving, add a handful of finely chopped coriander in this. If you have celery, better add celery, which is usually used. Drop a tablespoonful of the made sauce over the fried noodles and that's it. What you have to do to serve it. Serve the American chop suey hot and fresh. Hope you like the recipe. Then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hitting the bell icon till we meet again. Bye bye.